Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter 2, that is linear equation in one variable. General form of linear equation in one variable is ax plus b equal to 0. This is general form of linear equation. Since it is linear equation, why? Since variable x contains one power, that is power or exponent is 1, therefore this is known as linear equation. And one variable in this equation, x is variable only, a and b are constant, therefore this is called linear equation in one variable. For example, 5x minus 2 equal to 0. There is, in place of a is 5 and in place of b is minus 2 and variable is x. Similarly, 2y minus 5 equal to 0. This is linear equation, general form of linear equation, and these are linear equation. Now come to exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Your first question is x minus 2 equal to 7, and therefore x minus 2 equal to 7, and therefore x equal to 7 plus 2, that is 9. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is 3 by 7 plus x. Question number 4 is 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7 is equal to 17 by 7. Now x is equal to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. 3 by and 7. LCM of 7 and 7 is 7. 7 1 ja 7, therefore we write here 17 minus 7 1 ja 7, therefore 3 1 ja 3. 17 minus 3 14. 14 by 7. 7 2 ja 14, therefore your answer is 2. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is 1.6 is equal to y by 1.5. Y by 1.5. By cross multiplication we know that y is equal to this into this. It means 1.6 into 1.5, and therefore y equal to 1.6 into 1.5. Therefore 16 5 ja 80, 0, 8, 16 1 ja 16, and 8 24. This will be 2.40. This is the answer. Now come to question number 12. Question number 12. Question number 12 is x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. 7 by 15. And therefore x by 3 is equal to 7 by 15 minus 1. And this equal to 7 minus 15 by 15, since LCM of 15 and 1 is 15. And this equal to minus 8 by 15. And therefore x by 3 is equal to minus 8 by 15, and x is equal. Complete exercise 2.1, and I am going to start exercise 2.2. Now exercise 2.2. Your question number 1 is 1. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? Let required number be x. Let required number be x. Therefore, according to question, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, it means x minus 1 by 2, and multiply the result by 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. This will equal to 1 by 8. Now x minus 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 8. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. This is x minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 4, and therefore x is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, and LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. 4 1 ja 4, 1 plus 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. This is 3 by 4. Your answer is 3 by 4. Question number 2. Let breadth of swimming pool be x meter, and therefore length is equal to 2x plus 2 meter. Your perimeter is equal to 154 meter. Perimeter is equal to 154, and we know that perimeter of rectangular swimming pool is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. It means 2 into length. Length means 2x plus 2, and breadth is x meter. This is equal to 154. Now 2x plus x 3x. 3x plus 2 equal to 154 by 2, 77, and therefore 3x is equal to 77 minus 2, 75 meter, and therefore x is equal to 75 by 3, 25 meter. Therefore breadth is equal to x 25 meter. Breadth is equal to 25 meter, and length is equal to 2 into 25 plus 2. It means 50 plus 2, 52 meter. This is the answer. Exercise 2.2, question number 4. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. Let one number be x. Therefore, other number is equal to x plus 15. And sum of these two numbers is 95. According to question, x plus 15 is equal to 95, and therefore 2x plus 15 is equal to 95, and 2x is equal to 95 minus 15 is equal to 80, and therefore x is equal to 80 by 2. 42 is 80, and therefore first number is 40. First number is equal to 40, and other number, it means second number is equal to x plus 15, means 40 plus 15, that is 55. 6. In question number 6, 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? Let first integer be x. Therefore, consecutive means लगातार. It means if one integer be x, therefore second integer is equal to x plus 1, and third integer is equal to x plus 2. X plus 1 and x plus 1 and x plus 2 are consecutive integers, and according to your question, sum of these three integers, x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 51, and therefore x plus x 3x plus 3 equal to 51, and therefore 3x is equal to 51 minus 3, 48, and therefore x equal to 48 by 3. 16 3 is 48. This is 16, and therefore first integer is 16. First integer is equal to 16. Second integer is equal to 16 plus 1, 17, and third integer is equal to 16 plus 2, 18. These three integers 16, 17, 18, all the three integers are consecutive, and sum of these three integers is equal to 51. This is the answer. Now question number 7. In question number 7, the sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. Let one multiple of 8 be 8x. Therefore, second consecutive multiple of 8 is equal to 8x plus 1, and third consecutive multiple of 8 is equal to 8x plus 2. Now, according to your question, sum of these three multiples of 8 is equal to 881, and therefore 8x plus 1 plus 8x plus 2 is equal to 888. Now, this equal to 8x plus 8x plus 8 plus 8x plus 16 is equal to 888. 8x 16x 8x 24x plus 24 is equal to 888. Now 24x is equal to 888 minus 24. 24x is equal to 8 minus 4, 4. 8 minus 2, 6, and this is 8. And therefore, x is equal to 864 by 24. And 24, 3 ja 72, 14, 24, 6 ja 144. Value of x is 36. And therefore, first multiple of 8. First multiple of 8 is equal to 8 into 36. This equal to 8 6 are 48, 4, 8 3 are 24, 4, 288. Second multiple of 8 equal to 8, 36 plus 1 equal to 8 into 37, and this equal to 296. And third consecutive multiple of 8 equal to 8 36 plus 2, that is 8 into 38 equal to 304. And these three multiples of 8 are answered 288, 296 and 304. Okay. Question number 11. In question number 11, Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? Baichung's father is younger than Baichung's grandfather by 26 years, and Baichung's father is 29 years older than Baichung. Therefore, all these ages, Baichung's father age and Baichung's grandfather's age, depend on Baichung's age. Therefore, let present age of Baichung bx years. Therefore, present age of his father is equal to x plus 29 years, and present age of his grandfather is equal to x plus 29 plus 26 year. This equal to x plus 6 9 15 5 carry 1 x plus 55 year. According to your question, sum of these three ages is equal to 135. X plus 29 plus x plus 55 is equal to 135. This implies that x plus x 3x plus 9 5 14 4 carry 1 1 2 3 5 84 is equal to 135. This implies that 3x is equal to 135 minus 84. This is equal to 5 minus 4 1, and 13 minus 8 5 51 years. 51, 3x equal to 51, and therefore x equal to 51 by 3, 17 equal to 17. Therefore, present age of Baichung is equal to 17 years. Present age of his father is equal to 17 plus 29 equal to 56 years, and present age of his grandfather equal to x plus 55 means x value of x is 17 plus 55 x plus 55 7 5 12 2 carry 1 1 1 2 5 7 72 years. Now this is the answer of question number 11. Present age of his father 17 plus 29 year equal to 46 years. And this is the answer of question number 11. We come to question number 15. In question number 15, I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of denomination rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. The number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. Since number of 2 rupees coins depend on the number of 5 rupees coins, therefore let the number of 5 rupees coins be x. Therefore number of 2 rupees coins equal to 3x, and therefore number of 1 rupee coins equal to 160 minus x plus 3x. Since 160 is the total number of coins, sum of 1 rupee coins, 5 rupees coins and 2 rupees coins. Now according to your question, total money is equal to 300 rupees. It means 1 rupee coins is this, and therefore 160 minus x plus 3x. 2 rupees coins is equal to 3x, and 5 rupees coins is x. So since this into 1, this into 1 into this, and 3x, 2 number coins, therefore 3x into 2 plus 5 into x is equal to, total money is equal to 300. Now 160 minus 4x plus 6x plus 5x equal to 300. Now 6, 5, 11 minus 4, 7x. 7x plus 160 is equal to 300, and therefore 7x equal to 300 minus 160, this equal to 140, and therefore x is equal to 140 by 7. 27 ja 140. Value of x is 20, and therefore number of 5 rupees coins, number of 5 rupees coins is equal to 20. Number of 2 rupees coins is equal to 3 into 20, 60, and number of 1 rupee coins is equal to 160 minus 20 plus 60. 160 minus 80, that is 80, and this is the answer. Number of 1 rupee coins 18, number of 2 rupee coins 60, and number of 5 rupee coins 20. Okay. Now question number 16. In question number 16, the organizer of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of rupees 100, and a participant who does not win gets a prize of rupees 25. The total prize money distributed is 3000. Find the number of winners. Let the number of winners be x. Let the number of winner be x. Therefore number of participant who do not win is equal to 63 minus x. 63 minus x. Now according to your question, winner gets rupees 100 as prize, therefore 100 into x, and who does not win gets prize 25, and plus 25 into 63 minus x is equal to, total money is 3000, and this equal to 100x plus 25 into 63, 25 3 is 75, 5 7, 25 6 is 150, and 7 157. Now plus minus 25 into x, 25x, this equal to 3000. 100x minus 25x, 75x, plus 1575 is equal to 3000. Therefore 75 minus 1575, this equal to 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 5 4, minus 1 1, this equal to 75x, and therefore x equal to 1425 by 75. 25 3 is 75, 25 5 is 125, and 17 5 175, 7 ja 19 3 ja 57. Value of x is 19, and therefore number of winner, participant
equal to 19 and number of participants who do not win equal to 63 minus 19, and this equal to 5 minus 1 4 44, and this is the question number 16. Now remaining questions are homework for you.